Welcome to Gentech, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code Water Quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentech products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Apply adequate amount of thread tape. Attach the concentric wall fittings to the threads. Tighten them against the wall using an Allen key. Try to set them 215 mm apart. You can adjust this distance if needed, and attach both flanges in position. Place the tap body and tighten the 4 grub screws to ensure it's firmly attached. Attach the handles to the cartridge splines and adjust them to your preferred position. Fasten the handles with the flat washer, spring washer, and screws provided. Attach the appropriate colored button according to the requirement. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts are included. Remove the protective cover from the base. Ensure the riser aligns with the grub screw at the back. Position the riser and tighten the grub screw. Remove the spray gun bracket. Then, measure, mark, and cut the support bar to the desired length for its location, ensuring there is 2 to 5 mm of clearance between the bracket, wall, and the riser. Place the fixing plate on the support bar and mark the 3 holes. Ensure the riser is plumb. Drill the 3 holes as marked. Place the cover flange on the wall bracket. Fit the O-ring, olive and lock nut to the fixing point. Screw the fixing plate to the wall. Tighten the nut and olive, ensuring a firm and solid installation. Slide the chrome cover plate. Replace the spray gun bracket and ensure the holes align. Tighten the grub screw. Place the fibre washer on top of the riser. Screw on the pre-rinse hose while holding the spring, then tighten. Apply adequate amount of thread tape. Screw the spray gun to the hose and tighten. Now we are ready to turn on the water supply and ensure no leaks evident. Activate to verify operation. Attach manufacturer's recommendation sticker to the wall. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentech on +612 93194 422 or email at info@gentechaustralia.com.au.